Hi, it's Ellen here from Sherwood Hyundai. Come join me as we walk around this 2016 Elantra. Up front here you can see projection style headlights, fog lights. It is equipped with a block heater, and under the hood is a 1.8 liter engine. This vehicle comes with 15-inch Ravello tires. Let's make our way inside. On the driver's door, you can see that it's got power windows, doors, and mirrors. The driver can easily adjust his seat for comfort with his left hand. This is an all-cloth interior. On the left-hand side of the dash, right beside your steering column, you've got a few different buttons. This is your eco mode. This particular one is the illumination of your gauges for nighttime driving. You can adjust the brightness, and you've got your traction control. Now that we're inside, let's start this car up. On the odometer, you've got a reading of 27,060 kilometers. Let's make our way back to the steering column. On the right-hand side here, you've got your different modes of driving. You can see it comes with your comfort, your normal, or your sport. You also have your trip. Let's make our way into the center of the vehicle. This is your entertainment package. Up at the top, you've got a CD. It comes with your standard AM/FM radio, and it is Series XM compatible. Making our way a little bit lower, you've got your hazard lights. This is your climate control area. It comes with a front and rear defog, AC, and then you can adjust your heat in the position that you'd like. A little bit lower, you have a cubby that you can open up, and it's got a 12-volt outlet, your auxiliary, and USB. This is an automatic. You've got a couple drink holders, and in your armrest there is plenty of storage. Up at the top here, you've got a couple interior lights that you can turn on, and you've got an area to put your sunglasses. Let's make our way into the back row. As I indicated earlier, this is an all-cloth interior. Behind the passenger's front seat is a document holder. And you've got in your armrest here, you've got a couple drink holders that you can pop up out of the way. Making our way into the trunk area. Lots of storage room. Comes with an extra set of mats. Make your way down to Sherwood Hyundai and take this 2016 Elantra for a test drive. If you have any questions, I'm sure our sales consultants can give you a hand. We'll see you soon.